Whoa, what's up everyone? Today we're at the Coral Pink Sand Dunes and we're here to do some mobbing on the KTM. So we're gonna go out romping with the guy that we pulled out of the sand yesterday in his Razor. So let's get to it. Shit, I just lost my front brake. I pulled into Coral Pink Sand Dunes yesterday with the intention of riding a little bit, but that was short-lived when we got involved in not one, but two big rig recoveries. If you want to see more on that, check out the last episode, but today we're actually going to get some dirt bike riding in at these beautiful dunes, if the weather will cooperate with us. We're up here at Coral Pink Sand Dunes, beautiful view. We just blitzed up over here. And there's some rain coming in, so I want to get back to the truck. I really don't want to be caught out in the dunes with all this rain that's kind of above me now. Just started crackling, so let's go. From our ride, short-lived because it's raining, so we put the awning out for the bike. But yeah, nice to have this awning for the rain, honestly. Got the KTM all shielded. That was some sick riding, but I tell you, two-stroke without a paddle makes it pretty tough. Also got the cover for the KTM. This thing was $23 on Amazon, score. And I think it's on backwards, but it doesn't really matter because it's full for a Harley or a street bike. And it's pretty big. So yeah, just covering everything up. Keeping her freshy. Coda's a little freaked out from the rain. So he doesn't know what to do. It's okay, Bubba girl. It's okay. Since it's kind of cold and gloomy outside, I figured I'd cook inside for the first time, actually. I'm gonna do a little bit different version of a pizzarito. You'll see what I mean. Pepperoni and salami, the gallo, the good stuff. Then we'll take some mozzarella cheese, tomato pesto. Stuff smells really good. Got the cheese all melty. Look at that. Kind of made a mess, but here it is. Super bomb. Bomb.com. Got this view. Storm just rolled through. Storm rolled through, sun came out. Looks gnarly. Doesn't that just look so cool? Alright, well we're riding today and I just hit this sweet jump, so I'm gonna show you guys. shit, I just lost my front brake. Yeah, this sand is so tough on this bike with no paddle. Just lost it all. It might have, oh, it looks like it's leaking somewhere. Oh yeah. Wow.
Yeah, you broke your...
Broke the cable.
Yeah.
Somehow. That's pretty weird. Man, this is so sweet. Yeah, I probably won't get too much deeper. But no, this has been fun already.
Well, we're gonna play around here for a second.
Sweet.
It's up to you.
Yeah, I'll probably head back from here, but yeah, you guys keep going for sure. And yeah, this is good already. I wouldn't have gone this deep already. Sweet. We'll see you down there. Yeah. So we just ran into the first issue with getting the bike on the rack by myself. I'm not hurt, I didn't break both my arms like one guy said I would, but I did lose my front brake. I don't really know how, but this got cut. Well, I ended up beasting the bike up by myself without the front brake. I didn't get it on video for some reason. To be honest with you, I was ready to get out of that spot after the 2 recoveries I did there, breaking the front brake cable, not having a paddle, and truly struggling in the dunes with my 2-stroke. But anyways, thank you so much for watching. One thing I did want to mention is I just got some merch. Well, I hate calling it merch. These are awesome t-shirts that I designed myself. This one specifically though, Overland Art did the digital rendering right here. It's also on the back there. And it's really hard to film the back, but I'll put the link above. We got some cool camo ones too that I really like. So I had a ton of fun riding the dirt bike. The next video, we go into Zion National Park and explore that beautiful park. And we also stay in Virgin, Utah for a while, and we end up stumbling upon the holy grail of free ride mountain biking. Let's just put it that way, and we'll leave the rest for the next episode. As always, thanks for watching. And you all know that the only question is, are you down to mob?